Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Ecuador issues yellow alert for Cotopaxi volcano activity. The government of Ecuador has declared a yellow alert that is moderate risk in the areas near the Cotopaxi volcano amid increasing seismic activities. The volcano at 5,897 meters above sea level is the second highest in the country, reports the news agencies. The yellow alert was adopted on Sunday based on the report showing an increase in volcanic activity since October 2021 when Cotopaxi registered a tremor, which was the most active observed since 2015, said the Ecuadorian Secretariat for Risk Management in a statement. At present, nearby residents can see gas and water vapor hovering 500 meters above the crater and the ash column as high as 2,353 meters. The last major eruption of the volcano occurred on June 26, 1877. Cotopaxi is the second highest peak in the country with the height of 19,347 feet. This makes it one of the highest active volcanoes in the world. It is a stratotop volcano located within the Andes Mountains. Although still considered an active volcano, the last eruption ended in January 2016. The mountain has long record of violent eruptions. The largest historical eruption took place in 1744, 1768, 1877 and 1904. The eruption of 1877 was known for its volcanic mud flows that traveled more than 60 miles to meet the Pacific Ocean to the west and Amazon River basin to the east. Cotopaxi is the world's highest active volcano and the second highest point in Ecuador. From the summit, you can enjoy an incredible view of Cordillera Blanca and Quito in the distance. Cotopaxi is still active and the latest eruption lasted from August 2015 to January 2016. In Ecuador, Cotopaxi is the most famous volcano not only because of its beauty but because of its history and volcanic activity as well. From its perfect conical shape at the top to the open grassland at the base of the volcano, its beauty is self-evident. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.